Welcome to Hike the Sky. Today I will show you how to hand start and hand land a drone. For this one, just hold the drone like I'm holding it right now. Start the props. And now let it go up. Now to land it, it's quite easy. Let it come down. And you see it's a little buff. Make sure that you grab it in front of the sensor. Hold it tight. And then let it land. That's how easy it is. You can do it almost everywhere. On the beach, you don't want to have sending a gimbal. So just do the hand start and the hand land. And it's the easiest thing to do. I will show you guys one more time. You see how I'm holding it? And now let's go down again. Grab below, hold tight. You heard that the drone wants to go up, just hold tight, and that's how it is. And if you see below, there's still space, so I'm not touching the hot part. It's very easy to do it. Thanks and have a beautiful day.